Let me see it. Open. Okay. Rhea, she's gonna pull it. She's gonna pull it real hard.
It was an all-you-can-eat night, and Amy tried to keep up with Bob, which was her
Did it come out?
I think it's coming out.
Rhea, you pull it. Okay.
I need to see
Wrap
it.
your finger around it.
Wait, can I?
Let's see.
Dad, can I see in the mirror?
Nope.
Why?
Put your finger around.
I don't like it.
Wrap it around the finger, and then just give it a good yank.
Teddy, when this dress goes to the prom, it'll almost be like
Pull it,
last
Lucy.
time I get to go to the prom.
There you go, just like that.
I wish I knew.
You gotta do it harder.
Dad, can I go in the mirror?
You can wear this to your prom too. No, thank you, Mommy.
Pull it, Lucy.
Oh, I don't like it, Daddy.
What you doing, Dad?
Let me do it?
Yeah, I like to do my thinking upstairs, just in case someone wants to come down here.
No.
Play some video games.
Let me see it.
You know, all I want to know is if it's going to be a boy or a girl. But your mother wants to be surprised.
All right.
Why don't you find out and then not tell Mom? You have a brain of your own, right?